Hi, today we did cooking. So I was going to share our recipe with you. We did nachos. So this is our recipe. We take the chips, we put cheese on them, we microwave for about maybe 30 seconds. The recipe says 45, but 30 would probably be good. And then we eat them. So this is what it looks like. So we use these kind of chips. I know for some kids they can have them and some kids they can't. And then you put the chips on the plate. And then what I always use is shredded cheese because that's easy. This is like the Mexican style one. So I'm going to put that on there. And sprinkle a little bit. And then I usually do it, or I pour it out of the bag so all the kids aren't putting their hands in the bag because that's a little bit gross right now. So do this. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to go put it in the microwave. I'll be right back. All right, they are finished. So after you're done, you can sit and eat and enjoy. Thanks. We'll talk to you guys later.